What do Australia's incredible aquatic birds do every day out on the lake? In this biodiverse bird paradise, you'll see iconic Australian birds hunt for food, raise their young, and survive in their natural habitat. Join me as we discover what bird life lives out on the lake. Here, you can see a Dusky Moorhen swim behind some reeds. In the background, we get a glimpse of the Australian Pelican. This small bird is an Australasian Grebe. They are excellent at diving. We were incredibly lucky to spot a black swan and her cygnets. These fluffy juvenile swans will stay with their parents for around 9 months, learning how to survive, swim, and forage for food. Finally, the other parent arrives, and now the entire family is together. Black swans usually mate for life, so it's a magical experience witnessing this pair raise their young. In between minding their cygnets, these black swans regularly look below the surface to find food, sometimes coming up with a snack. It's a full-time job for these parents, but under the right conditions, they can raise a healthy family of black swans. As morning rolls around, the black swans are up at the crack of dawn to catch an early feed. Hopefully one day, these cygnets will be able to forage like their parents and raise their own family. Here we get a close-up of the Australian pelican. These majestic birds live in coastal and inland areas. They migrate to environments with a better food supply. Pelicans also have a massive bill which can reach up to 50 centimetres long. The Dusky Moorhen and Australasian Grebe both enjoy feeding in similar places, so often you'll see them scavenging at the same time. Australasian Grebes develop 2 different plumage phases throughout the year. During breeding season, male and female grebes will have a glossy black head and a chestnut-coloured stripe going down the side of their neck. It's quite interesting how they change their feathers depending on the season. The pelicans and ibis utilise the island out in the middle of the lake. It's protected from land-based predators and is a perfect place for them to dry and preen their feathers. It could also be an excellent nesting place for them to raise their young. Here you can see a pair of Pacific black ducks and Australasian grebes glide through the reeds. Despite requiring similar resources, there's enough habitat and food to go around for these species to live in harmony. There is truly so much happening out on the lake. Countless bird species are thriving within this beautiful environment. Within the space of one day, we've witnessed the incredible life of waterbirds. These animals are filled with a desire to grow, survive, and love their companions in the most wholesome way possible.